Precision Computerized Machining Technology. The precision machining industry utilizes precision tools and equipment to transform engineers' and designers' visions into finished products. Students interested in careers in this specialized field begin their training in the Precision Machining Technology program and then may progress to the Computerized Machining Technology program. In Precision Machining Technology, you will learn about different types of metals, the operation of hand tools and sophisticated equipment to cut metals. You will work on lathes, milling machines, drill presses, and precision grinders to produce specialty tools and devices. You will also learn to use precision measuring devices to measure within 1/10,000th of an inch. Training in print reading to understand industry specifications is also taught. This program can prepare you to become a machinist, combination machine tool setter and setup operator, and a lathe and turning machine tool setter and operator. After successfully completing this program, students may progress to the Computerized Machining Technology program for an advanced specialty area of study. The focus of this program is on the skills that are in high demand in modern manufacturing in such industries as aerospace, medical, and defense, just to name a few. The curriculum in the computerized machining portion of the program focuses on reading and drawing advanced blueprints, computerized numerical control, vertical milling, turning and wire electrical discharge machining, conventional electrical discharge machining, and CAD/CAM milling and turning. Students use high-tech measuring equipment, including a coordinate measuring machine, optical comparator, and toolmaker's microscope in the metrology lab. Graduates of this program are well prepared to enter industry as numerical control machine setup operators, numerical control and process control programmers, machinists, and quality assurance inspectors. Further education may lead to additional employment opportunities.